Whoa, that just hurt.
How disturbing.
It's broken and a new. I sound like one of those gremlins.
What was that?
Everything.
No. Okay, you know what? Just stay. Dude, the phone was somewhere in that
Make
mess.
sure it doesn't fall in the ice. Wait
for this. Wait. Okay, we're back. Chantel. Dude, cool down.
Ow. No, dude, remember?
It actually worked again. Bob.
Actually, ow. It just hit me. Okay, ready? This is a person. His leg. His leg. His arm. He's going, woo! Other arm. This is his head.
Chantel. Chantel.
Oh no, his head is all the way down here.
Well, make that his arm. Cool down, Chan.
He's paralyzed in the head. Look, so he's got his arms to move it. Oh, his collar's on backwards.
Chantel.
Dring, dring. We like the party. We like the party. We like the party. We like the party.
Would you like to see my esophagus?
Ow!
Where's my phone?
I didn't know it was that close.
Like the party. We like the party.
I was gonna poke you in the face, but then I didn't know where your head was. Open your eye. Open it wider. It looked funny.
We like the party in your mommy. And there's a party in my tummy. A party in my tummy. There's a party in my tummy. There's a party in my tummy. A party in my tummy. Go the fuck.
It's so hard. I used to be able to do that. I have an idea.
What?
How about we go